Right now we're seeing sunny skies across the county. We started off with a little bit of fog, even some clouds downtown, but you can actually see the marine layer off in the distance downtown. But a beautiful afternoon shaping up for us. Most of us in the 70s, unless you're along the coast. 69 degrees downtown, 71 in Chula Vista, 72 in El Cajon, also in Ramona. So a very warm afternoon in store for us, but a cool evening thanks to the clear sky. So overnight tonight, it is going to be another cool one. So you might want to grab a jacket if you're headed out to the Oceanside Sunset Market. Starts tonight at 5 o'clock, but once the sun sets around 7:30 or so, it's going to get cool real quick, dipping down to around 62 degrees by 9 o'clock. So we're talking about this mini heat wave. It's basically 2 days of excessive heat, Friday and Saturday. Sunday will still be warm, but much cooler than the 10 to 15 degree heat that we're going to see tomorrow and Saturday. We're talking about 5 to 10 degrees above average as we head into Sunday. So today will be our last mild day with highs near average. Then that bubble of hot air moves over California and it is going to get hot. That onshore flow, that sea breeze, the cool winds that we've been seeing will turn offshore at some point tonight. If you're headed out to the March for Babies in Oceanside this Saturday, hope to see you there. 10 News will be there. 78 degrees then in the afternoon. In the morning, it'll be cool though, but a quick warm up in store. Inland neighborhood 70s today. We could see a few 90s as early as tomorrow when we'll top off right around 90 for our Earth Day on Saturday, with 70s returning next week. A great weekend ahead up to the mountains in the 70s there. Maybe a good weekend to avoid the deserts. We're going to be seeing potentially some triple-digit heat in Borrego Springs. Guys?